Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your TikTok watch history so you can go back to videos that you previously watched, liked or interact with. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner and hit the profile icon. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right. Then click on settings and privacy. When you're over here, I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on Activity Center over here. When you're at Activity Center, the first option, of course, is to see Watch History. Boom. When you click on Watch History, you're simply gonna find all the videos that you have watched or videos that appear on your feed. You know, every time when you launch the app, like I did a couple of seconds ago, there is a video playing. So for example, the first 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, I didn't watch them. They just were automatically launched when launched the app. Let me show you how to actually delete all of these guys. Go on the top right corner, click select, then go on the lower left corner and select all watch history, then click delete. Boom. This is how you delete your watch history. And essentially you could find any video you was looking for simply by scrolling to the history on the videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.